All right, now that we got the window all sealed up, we're going to go ahead. We're going to show how this window operates. Okay, when you're in the locked closed position, the first thing you want to do is take your locks, turn them all the way to this opposite side. Raise it up. If your window's installed properly, it should be that easy. Once you've got it, you've got the window up, you want to make sure you've got at least your fist in between. A good 6 to 8 inches. Then you want to come to your tilt latches. Bring both tilt latches in. Let your window tilt down. Now your window's ready to clean. The top, you want to bring your top down. Again, one hand operation. You've got tilt latches up here, up on top. Bring those in. Let your window down. Go ahead and clean it. To close it, you want to grab your window, make sure you've got even pressure on it. Use 2 hands. Bring your tilt latches in and go ahead and push it back in place. Raise it up. Grab your bottom again, 2 hands, even pressure. Grab your tilt latches, bring them in. Shut your window, close it. Make sure your top's up all the way and the window's locked.